my source of motivation is Iraqi British architect Zaha Hadid.
Oh, could you please repeat? Actually, I just.
Iraqi British architect Zaha Hadid.
Okay.
And I like.
Yes, I have watched her interviews.
Yeah.
Yes.
And Zaha, I like one project of her is 11 centers in Baku.
Okay. मतलब मैंने देखा हुआ है कि her work is very inspiring.
Very inspiring.
Yes, true. Today, at a wooden story, we have with us Hemali Soni, who is a co-founder of Deoja Designs and working as a both architecture and an interior designer. Welcome, Hemali. Glad to have you here today.
Hello everyone, myself Hemali Soni, and I would like to thank Wooden Story to giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Yes, we are happy to invite you. Hemali, please make us travel on a journey from an architect student to the founder of Deoja Designs.
Yeah, sure. I did my bachelor's in architecture and specialization in interior design.
Okay.
For me, architecture is a passion, a vocation, and a calling, as well as science and a business.
Yes.
So it has been a social art and artful science. So I've decided to do my bachelor's in architecture.
Okay. That's wonderful.
Its initial stage, I faced lots of challenges, and during my job and internship, what I experienced is totally different from college and for practical.
Okay.
In college, we are gaining theoretical knowledge, but in practical, we have to use that knowledge in practically.
Yes. Correct. Yes.
So I decided to upgrade myself and to rework on myself.
Yes.
And after 2 years of my job, I got I decided to do freelancing projects.
Okay.
And I got one freelancing project in Rajkot, which is for interior design, and I used to do up down to Rajkot from Baroda, and till 8 to 9 months.
That must be tiring.
And till completion of that project, I receiving good inquiries from Baroda and as well as Ahmedabad.
Okay.
So me and my husband decide to start
your
the office
Yes.
in Vadodara in September 2020.
Okay.
So now we have a good team in our office which had every project like architecture, interior, and
that's very wonderful actually.
Yeah.
So why is your company called Deoja Designs?
It's basically a combination of two partners' name, like Dev and Pooja is equals to Deoja.
Okay. Who is Pooja?
My paid name is Pooja.
Okay.
And your real name is Hemali.
Okay. That's nice actually. What is the true strength of an architectural building?
According to me, the true strength of architectural building is firmness, commodity, and delightness. Whereas firmness refers to structure, integrity, and stability. When commodity refers to the function of for what the building was constructed.
Okay.
And the delightness means that the building is not only aesthetically and functionally appearing, but it lift up the spirits and functionally working the space.
Okay. Yes. I'm knowing now. According to you, what is the basic difference between an architecture and an interior designer? Because you are doing both.
Yes. According to me, interior design is part of architecture.
Okay.
A space can form with the help of architecture and let alone survive. But without the closing space, interior design cannot survive.
Okay.
So basically, interior design is dependent architecture. In technical terms, we talk about architect's review and oversees is construct the building.
Okay.
And the building is दोनों होना चाहिए, functionally and structurally represent दोनों उसमें होना चाहिए. And their architects, their main aim is to construct the structure.
Okay.
And एक रहता है ना कि एक main उनका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग टेक्निक, उनमें प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल होनी चाहिए, टेक्निक्स होनी चाहिए फॉर बीइंग अ गुड आर्किटेक्ट. एंड for interior design is bring that creativity and technical knowledge for that job. And once a building is completed, interior design called on for finishing and accessorize that empty spaces.
ओके, सो
So,
पहले आर्किटेक्चर वाले
Yeah,
काम करते हैं और
फिर
उसके
interior
बाद
आता है, और
इंटीरियर।
उसमें क्या रहता है कि आर्किटेक्चर सर्वाइव कर सकता है विदाउट इंटीरियर, बट इंटीरियर कैन नॉट सर्वाइव विदाउट आर्किटेक्ट्स.
Okay, so that's like a two-side relationship.
Yes.
Yes. Were there any childhood experiences related to this field?
नो, नॉट रियली.
अच्छा, मतलब आपको बचपन से ऐसा नहीं था?
नहीं,
अच्छा।
बचपन से ऐसा नहीं था, बट व्हेन आई वाज इन 8th स्टैंडर्ड आई लाइक मैंने कहीं पे सुना था अबाउट आर्किटेक्चर एंड
Okay.
आई सर्च ऑन गूगल व्हाट इज आर्किटेक्चर एंड फाइंड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
Okay.
So I decided to go in this field.
अच्छा, so that was main point.
That was the main point.
Okay. Which section of your portfolio are you proud of?
I won't say I feel proud, but yes, I like to do work on architectural and hospitality projects.
Okay.
That's why I selected my final year thesis project, hospitality final year thesis
Oh.
project as an hospitality.
Okay, that's wonderful actually. Does that reflect on you as a person?
Uh, yeah, it's like I want to design something. Like बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि कुछ डिज़ाइन करना, लेकिन जब इंटीरियर ऐड होता है
अच्छा।
तो आई चूज़ पहले आर्किटेक्चर कर लो, उसके बाद इंटीरियर. ऐसा.
अच्छा, ओके. मैंने देखा है कि यू हैव डन मैनी प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड यू हैव डील विद मैनी क्लाइंट्स. तो ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि व्हेन अ क्लाइंट्स कम्स टू यू एंड एक्सप्लेन्स व्हाट दे नीड, सो आप फिर वो समझ लेते हो पूरा, और फिर वो जो आपने समझा दैट कुड बी लाइक वो प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, इट्स वेरी प्लीजिंग, सो हाउ डू यू डील विद दैट?
Nowadays, because of Pinterest, Facebook, everybody come with their ideas कि मुझे ऐसा करना है, मुझे ऐसा करना है, बट एक्चुअली क्या रहता है कि उसका उनकी जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती है वो उनकी जो स्पेस है एक्चुअली उसमें फिट नहीं होती है.
अच्छा.
सो हम डायरेक्टली क्लाइंट को मना नहीं कर सकते कि नहीं ये नहीं हो सकता वैसा.
अच्छा.
तो येस, वी ट्राई टू कन्विंस द क्लाइंट बाय
आप
गिविंग,
समझाते हो उनको? अच्छा.
कन्विंस द क्लाइंट बाय गिविंग प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल्स कि जो वो लोग बता रहे हैं, जो वो लोग मांग रहे हैं, इज़ नॉट प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल.
यस, और अच्छा भी नहीं दिखेगा बाद
क्योंकि
में.
एट द एंड इफ
हाँ.
थिंग्स वॉन्ट वर्क, क्लाइंट लाइक वो लास्ट में ऐसा ही बोलेगा कि ये मेरा सब्जेक्ट नहीं था कि मुझे पता हो ये आपका सब्जेक्ट था, आपको मेरे को समझाना
अच्छा.
चाहिए था. सो ऐसे हम लोग क्लाइंट
So-
को कन्विंस करते हैं
अच्छा,
फॉर डिज़ाइन.
what factors do you prioritize in your project?
Ownership, requirements, lighting, comfort, budget and technology.
There are so
That
many.
are all factors.
Okay, so how and from where do you learn about new trends in your line of work?
Paintings, natures, sculpture and various type of art form are often source of learning.
Okay.
There is there are line between design and art. Art can be a design solving technique.
Okay.
I believe that the crux of architecture it's in वो हम कैसे रीबिल्ड करते हैं, कैसे डिज़ाइन करते हैं,
हाँ.
उसमें उसका वो
Importance
रहता है. तो सेल्फ ऑब्जर्विंग
हाँ.
इट्स फर्स्ट पॉइंट टू लर्निंग. लाइक कुछ भी चीज़ हो, प्रॉब्लम हो, वो ऑब्जर्व करके वो कैसे सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं,
अच्छा, हाँ.
दैट इज़ द सेल्फ लर्निंग. एंड ऑब्वियसली येस, आई यूज टू अपडेट माई सेल्फ बाय एक्सप्लोरिंग न्यू सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड मैगजीन्स टू.
अच्छा. Do you have a habit of reading magazines?
Yes, I do read architecture magazine. I don't read, but I see how they are planning, how they are their
Okay.
space is designed. So
तो आपको वहाँ से इंस्पिरेशन भी मिल जाता
वो
होगा.
इंस्पिरेशन मिल
Yes.
जाता है और पता भी चल जाता है कि क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है मार्केट
अच्छा,
में,
हाँ.
क्या मटेरियल यूज हो रहे हैं.
Yes, true. So, have you ever done any government projects?
Not really, but I would to love if I will get a chance in the future.
Okay, so we wish you the luck.
Thank you.
Are there any certificates or compliance requirements for your projects, especially for architecture?
Yes, if we talk about architecture project, that does require COA license.
Okay.
The Council of Architecture license.
Okay.
And if we talk about interior project, that doesn't require any kind of completion certificate or a license.
Acha. So what is that certificate all about? Would you like to explain?
Yeah, it's like if you done your degree and you have to apply it in Delhi for your architect license, like Council of Architecture give you a license, like you are the architect.
Oh, that's like
Yeah.
you are approved
architect.
architect.
And if you like, आपको अगर गवर्नमेंट प्रोजेक्ट करना है या फिर आपको कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट करनी है जो 3 BHK 4 BHK रहता है, तो उसमें इफ़ यू डोंट हैव दिस लाइसेंस यू कांट गो अहेड.
Acha, means it's like mandatory to
Mandatory,
have.
yes.
Okay. What is your motivation? Whom do you look up to?
My first and most important motivation is myself. I keep myself updated to new things and
Okay.
motivate projects and
Yes,
new things. And yes, I also said that my source of motivation is Iraqi British architect Zaha Hadid.
Oh, could you please repeat? Actually, I just.
Iraqi British architect Zaha Hadid.
Okay.
And I like.
Yes, I have watched her interviews. Yes.
And Zaha Hadid, I like one project of her is Eleven Centers in Baku.
Okay. मतलब मैंने देखा हुआ है कि her work is very
Very
inspiring.
very inspiring.
Yes, truly. So, does any projects have a personal significance for you?
Yes, I have worked one hospitality project during my
Okay.
job.
Which is your very favorite line?
Yes, during my job, which is Om Aranya Resort, located near in Vadodara.
Okay.
So as I said earlier, I would more into the hospitality projects and architectural projects.
Yes. Okay. That's nice actually. So would you like to explain how was that project all about?
It basically 1 lakh square feet resort,
Okay.
and we have to design reception area,
Mhm.
the 100 bedrooms, 100 deluxe bedrooms,
Okay.
and 5 to 10 cottages, and mud treatment and like natural treatments. So yes.
Okay. Actually, मतलब हमेशा ऐसा exposure सबको नहीं मिलता है.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So earlier you mentioned about doing a job and then starting your own business. So would you like to explain what's the difference and मतलब कहाँ काम करने में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ कहाँ ज़्यादा होती है and etc.
Like obviously एक रहता है ना, इफ आप जॉब कर रहे हो किसी के अंडर रह के, तो कोई आपको इतना भी एक्सपोजर नहीं देगा, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली एवरीबडी हैज़ दैट सिग्निफिकेशन. हाँ, तो लेकिन अगर मुझे जब मैं जॉब कर रही थी मुझे प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज मिल रहा था, लेकिन साइट विजिटिंग एंड ऑल मुझे उतना नहीं मिल रहा था.
अच्छा.
एंड ऑब्वियसली कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसे रहते हैं कि साइट पे एग्जीक्यूशन के टाइम पता चलता है कि ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ है.
Okay.
तो हमें वो ऑन साइट ही रिजॉल्व करना रहता है. इसलिए जब मैं खुद का चालू किया, ऑब्वियसली स्टार्टिंग में बहुत प्रॉब्लम फेस किया, लेकिन येस
Gradually you learn how to manage. So you are enjoying your work.
Yeah,
That is very hard to see. So how is this industry, especially for a woman like you who is handling many fronts at a single time?
I would say this industry want knowledge and skills, nothing else. There is no difference between man and woman.
Okay.
But yes, there are some mentality in the industry. Like client को ऐसा रहता है कि अगर लेडी ओन कर रही है और लेडी लीड कर रही है, तो वो कैपेबल नहीं होगी कि वो कैसे एजेंसीज को बोलेगी.
That's very sad actually.
लेकिन आई प्रूव्ड रॉन्ग.
Congratulations.
लेकिन यस, अगर आपके पास स्किल्स है एंड एबिलिटीज़ है तो एज अ लेडी भी आप रन कर सकते हो.
Definitely, why not? Yes. What are the requirements if someone wants to become interior designer and an architect?
Firstly, they need to apply for entrance exam called NATA, and this is mandatory for this field. After that, they are doing graduation in Bachelor of Architecture and pursuing the interior design courses by their department.
Okay, that's nice. I was not knowing that. Is there any advice or guidance you want to give out to our younger aspirants? Please feel free to do so.
I only wanted to say that follow your passion, बिकॉज एक एम होना चाहिए लाइफ में कि क्या करना है, और ऑलवेज डू कि जो पसंद है वही काम करो, जो पसंद नहीं है उसे अपना करियर मत बनाओ.
अच्छा, ओके, दैट्स वंडरफुल. एक्चुअली सबको ऐसा सीखना चाहिए. यस, we were really appreciated your time today, Himali. Thank you for being here with us.
Thank you for having me. Thank you so much.